Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this trick. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this trick. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. You may wonder how I highlight some elements in the video tutorials, so today I will show you how. Go to Colors, you have different color to choose. Today I will go with the white. Drag it above the video that you want to highlight. Now right-click on it, go to Compositing and reduce the opacity. Now as you can see, we can adjust the size of it. So adjust it to the part or element you want to highlight. We can add dissolve transition at the beginning and the end of it, to make it smoother. Another cool way to point at something is by clicking on the Elements tab and search for click. I use this element a lot in my tutorials, to point at something important. Adjust it to the element you want to point. Also, there are other options in the Elements tab that you can use. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.